Hi and welcome to another video. This is Eleni and today I'm going to show you how I created some cool Christmas ornaments using air drying clay and cookie cutters. This video is dedicated to my friend Natalia, as I was inspired by her idea when she gave me these ornaments and cookie cutters as a gift. I'm using Das air drying clay because, as I've told you before, I haven't had any problems with it cracking while drying. I'm trying to make it around 1 centimeter thick, that is a little under half an inch, and I'm smoothing it out using water. After that, I'm putting it on a flat surface and make a hole for it to hang. With small pieces of clay, I'm putting noses on some of the ornaments using a little bit of water to adhere them, and I'm carving more patterns on them by using a spatula or a knife, and I'm always smoothing it out with water. This helps me get a crisper impression so I don't have a lot of sanding to do afterwards. After they are totally dry, and this can take a few days, I'm using a file to smooth any areas I need to, especially the rough edges, and I go over it with white gesso. And when that is dry, I'm using acrylics to paint them. And the way I do it, you can see in the stages I show you in the video. I like to use a sponge instead of a brush for the larger areas. I use soft pastels for some details and 3D paint for other details. And I also love to use glitter. On the houses you will see me use Snow Tex, that is a paste that looks like snow, and some rhinestones. I'm generally improvising using stuff that I have, and that is what I think you should do too. Use whatever you have at hand. And this is it. Hope you got some inspiration from my process, and don't hesitate to leave any questions that you may have in the comment section below. If you enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up and make sure to subscribe to my channel, but also click the bell to get notified about my new videos. Thank you so much for being here. Stay safe and happy holidays.